Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import data from Chrome to Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First,
Absolutely.
open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page where you can customize your browser and manage various features. Clicking on Settings is essential as it gives you access to all the configuration options you'll need for importing your data. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with several options. From this panel, click on Get Started. This section is specifically designed to help new users set up their browser and transfer their data from other browsers they've been using. Within the Get Started section, you'll see an option labeled Import Bookmarks and Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to bring over all your important data from Chrome, including your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and other settings you've accumulated over time. Now you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of browsers you can import from. From the available options, select your Google Chrome account. This ensures that Brave knows exactly which browser and profile to pull your data from. Next, you'll notice several checkboxes displayed on the screen. These checkboxes represent different types of data you can import, such as bookmarks, history, passwords, and autofill information. Make sure to check all the checkboxes so that everything from your Chrome browser gets transferred over to Brave. This way, you won't have to manually recreate any of your settings or bookmarks. Once selected all the checkboxes, click the Import button to begin the transfer process. Brave will now start importing all your selected data from Chrome. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few moments, so give it some time to complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully imported all your data from Chrome to Brave browser, and now you can continue browsing with all your familiar bookmarks and settings intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.